Have you ever felt the need to capture beautiful moments of your life, whether you are on an adventure trip, hiking, bicycle riding, swimming, or diving, and thought of sharing those moments to the whole world? If yes, then is your camera capable enough to be the partner on your journey? No? If not, then here is what you need. Maizic Smarthome's Action Camera, your adventure buddy. Capture every fascinating and thrilling moment of your life and share it with the world. The camera has 4K Quad HD video resolution. It has 2-inch LCD panel display for bright color view. It has 900 mAh battery that lasts for 90 minutes if you record continuously, and it can charge easily in just 45 minutes. This has a 120-degree wide-angle lens for wider field of view. It has Wi-Fi connectivity to give you app control on your smartphone, and an SD card slot that supports up to 64 GB of storage. This camera comes with various accessories like waterproof case, adhesive accessories, mounting accessories, so that you can use it to take underwater shots, make a motovlog with it, or take it to the camping or hiking. Just capture every moment and make it into a memory. Buy Maizic's Action Camera today and go on your adventure with your new adventure buddy.